Hello everyone, welcome back to NyiZawtech. Today I'll show you how to make your PC screen look like a mobile phone or tablet using Toggle Device Toolbar. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your PC. Now open any website, for example, YouTube or Facebook. Now right-click anywhere on the page and click Inspect. This will open the Developer Tools panel. At the top of the Developer Tools, click on Phone and Tablet icon. Your PC screen now looks like a mobile phone. At the top, you can choose different devices like iPhone, Samsung Galaxy. You can also change screen size, zoom in or zoom out, rotate the screen to landscape mode. This is perfect for mobile testing and tutorials. Sometimes you should refresh the page to see current mobile layout. You can now scroll like a phone, click buttons, test menus. Everything works just like a real mobile device. To exit mobile view, simply click the device icon again or close Developer Tools. That's it. Now you know how to turn your PC screen into a phone or tablet view. No apps required. If this video helped you, like, comment, subscribe to NyiZaw Tech for more tech tips. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.